Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you what affiliate marketing is and how to actually get started with it and how it actually works. So with that being said, cue the intro. So before we do get started, I do want to let you know, if you're new here, this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel. I've got plenty of videos on this channel about this. And also, make sure that you hit that notification bell because that will notify you every time that I put a video out. And that is every single day, 7 days a week. So with that being said, let's get right into it. So how affiliate marketing is, if you're completely new, I'm going to skip over this very quick because most people watching this video will know exactly what it is, but I do want to let you know if you're just like starting out and you're brand new and wondering what it is. So affiliate marketing is when you promote somebody else's product and you get a commission for them. So basically, if you start out with, for example, Amazon, that's one of the biggest companies and the first ones that started with affiliate marketing. So they have an affiliate program called Amazon Associates. So if you sign up to that, you will get a custom links for whatever you want to promote, whether it's a computer or books or whatever it may be. And if somebody clicks on your link, you get a commission for it. So that is in a nutshell what affiliate marketing is. Obviously I took Amazon for example, but there are a ton of companies, and I'd say most of the big companies out there, even some smaller ones, that do affiliate marketing because that's a very profitable way to do it, whether it's for you as an affiliate or for them because they get new customers for free. So the process to do this is very simple, okay? It's very, just like I explained, it's very simple. You have a link, somebody clicks on it, you get a commission. Simple as that. However, it does take some work. And a lot of people don't like to hear that because most people online want to make a quick buck here and there. But if you go down that route, there are two things that could happen. One, you get scammed because you want the quick money. Two, you'll make $5 and then run with it, but then you'll have nothing else, or maybe you'll have another $5 in 2 months. But on this channel, I'm talking about how to build a real business online, not just make a quick buck here and there, because that's just not what you want to do. And if you make some real money with like doing nothing, then please leave it in the comments because I'm really interested in that, okay? So, I believe that doesn't exist. Actually, I'm pretty sure it doesn't. So, to build a real business, this is going to take some work. Any business, online, offline, it takes some work to get started and to get it off the ground. If people think that like it doesn't take anything to build a business, or you think that, then let me tell you, you're wrong, okay? However, affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to get started with online business because there are a ton of things that just you don't have to deal with at all. If you're building any online business, you will have so much to deal with customer service, making a product, having to fulfill orders, and like so many different other aspects. In affiliate marketing, you don't have any of these. You don't have customer service, so you don't have angry people coming back at you. You don't have to make a product because you're promoting somebody else's product, and you don't have to fulfill orders because they are doing it as well. So you don't have any of that. All you have to do is drive traffic. You don't have anything to deal with after that. However, you are responsible for marketing, but that is something that we're going to dive into in this video. But that is the only thing. Your only job is to drive the traffic, okay? So how do you do this? You have to create an audience in a specific niche. So what are you going to create? Like, what niche are you going to get into? the niche really depends on you. It really doesn't matter. Don't try and go for the most profitable niche, because if you do that, chances are you will give up and you're not going to make money, because as I said at the beginning of this video, it's going to take work, but it's also going to take some time. Okay, so you have to find something that you're really interested in and figure out a way to teach it. If you can teach it, then, and okay, so if you can teach it and there are some other people doing it, that means there is a market for it. So if you find something that you like, some other people are doing it, and you can teach it, by all means dive into it. This is something that you really have to do. So figure out what you like. I'm not going to dive into detail about this, but make sure that you do at least enjoy it if it's not a passion of yours. And it can become a passion, by the way, but you have to at least like it. So once that you've found that, what you're going to do is you're going to create a YouTube channel or a blog. If you're very good at Facebook marketing, by all means do that. But if you're not, because chances are you're not, you are going to have to build a blog or a YouTube channel. So if you build a YouTube channel, you can do like me, teach what I know, teach it on camera. If you like, no matter what niche you're in, this works. If you don't want to show your face, you can do animated videos. That works a ton as well. There are some people making a ton of videos with that. However, people don't see your face, so it's a lot harder to get it through. Same thing with a blog. If you have a blog, it's going to be a lot harder to get it across on camera, because people don't get to know you, they don't hear your voice, they don't see you. But there are a ton of people making a ton of money. So I just wanted to warn you. However, it's far from impossible. In fact, blogs and YouTube channels are the best ways to make some money with affiliate marketing. Like, hands down the best way, especially if you're a beginner. Some people are expert marketers and they do that on Facebook, but most of them still have a YouTube channel, because that is one of the best ways to do it. Okay, so now that you've done that, you are going to have to find an offer that's going to make you money. So I suggest ClickBank, but some niches you don't have ClickBank. Like my girlfriend, she has a YouTube channel and she does not have anything that suits her on ClickBank. Okay, so you can go to Amazon. Like, literally, if you have a product, if you have an idea for a product, there is an affiliate program for it. If it's at least a little bit known, you will have an affiliate program for it. Even things that aren't so known, there is an affiliate program. So type in the product that you want and then /affiliate, or the shop that you want /affiliate, and chances are you will find it. So online stores, 100% they will have what you're searching for. So don't worry too much about that, but you will have to have that, because guess what? The affiliate product is what is going to make you some money. And what's great about this, as I said at the beginning of this video, is when you promote their product, you like what you do, you promote something that you like, that you would promote to a friend, for example, or some family members, and you get a commission for it. It's like magic. But as I said, you will have to make some YouTube videos or some blog posts, okay? So if you have a video on YouTube, the best way, if you're just starting out, because this is 100% free, if you're starting out, I would highly suggest that you just post a link in the description. That's 100% free, because it's free to sign up to an affiliate program, and you just put that link and people will click on it. So if you do review videos, for example, people are looking for it and they will love to see a link in there to actually buy it. And it's not more expensive for them, by the way. Like, you're not cheating, you're not telling people to buy something expensive. It's just the same price as if they just bought it from Amazon itself, for example, if it's an Amazon affiliate link, okay? So that's the best way if you're really a beginner and you don't have any money to spend. But if you really want to make some really big money online, there is one thing that you can do to take it one step further. and that is building an email list. Building an email list is so underrated. People just starting out don't understand how powerful this is. So I'm going to tell you how powerful this is. Think about it. If you build an email list and you make and you get 10,000 emails or 100,000 emails, and this is possible, by the way. It's not like some dreamy thing of, you know, Bill Gates kind of thing, or Jeff Bezos and thinking you're like known all over the world. This is something that is possible for you. So if you send an email to 10,000 people telling them this product is amazing, think about it. At least some people are going to buy it, and you're just sending an email. So it's like push button money, basically. If you're looking for easy money, this is the way. Like, you just make people click on it, and if they're interested, they buy it. And if you have 10,000 people and like that are targeted, that are in your niche, chances are there are quite a few people that are going to buy it because they think it's awesome just as much as you do. So building an email list, you will have to pay for it, but it's a very, very good way to do it. So that was the video for today. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Also, leave me a comment, hit that like. Also, leave me a comment, leave me a like, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye for now.